birdies singing. I love this time of year. Spring. And unfortunately, this is what's left. We throw all our paper products over the step over the winter, and we just burn them in the fire pit there in the summer. But we got some rain coming, so we're not going to be doing too much with that. I got to get the generator covered up today. Got to get this mess cleaned up someday. You know what I said, someday. But not today. We had to take the car out today, and I didn't want to. Truck's parked on the driveway. I didn't want to pull up the road, and she just pulled off the side and moved stuff out of the way and drove the car out to go get some groceries this morning. Yeah, the back of the truck's loaded up. This is stuff I have to go through mostly. Like a lot of it's got to be separated. There's some good metals in there. And I got the buckets in here, metals and stuff I got to straighten out. The saws I got to find a home for. But that all came from here. So I loaded this up last night. Got this whole area cleared out of metal. I'll get that stuff pushed back today. I'm gonna back the truck and trailer down here in a bit. And I'm going to load that stuff onto it. And then towards the shed, I'm gonna get all this stuff here onto the truck and trailer. Because this home is going to be down here. I gotta take all these down today too and vent them. So I can take the brass tops off. And she's organized now. I got my barrels here, buckets are gonna go here. Metal barrels, my pallets. Those pallets are in rough shape, so I'm gonna cut them up today for firewood. I found this CRT TV. There's some live wiring in there. There's a big mixer, food mixer that I got to tear apart. Lots of aluminums and stainless steel and electronics in that, I imagine. And of course, standard culprits, barbecues. This lawnmower here is no good at all, but like that cast aluminum, we'll be taking that apart really soon. This house left the shred pile from the spring cleanup here at the house. This, that, they have to be processed. I think that steel thing's gonna be processed too. Not sure what that is. The lights have to be processed, but all this should go on the truck here over the next couple of days, taken in Tuesday. This is Saturday. Scrap yards open until Tuesday. So all this stuff here is gonna be gone. This stuff here has to be sorted through, cleaned up. This is actually brass lamp. We checked it, that's brass. Those are stainless steel, or aluminum. The aluminum ladder. And there's some sink there, there's a sink there. They gotta be cleaned up. Yeah, these things here, I'm gonna take one of these apart, see what's in them. No idea. Maybe do that video on that sometime. Well, that's ready to go to the scrap yard. This one here, just gotta take the in back here of the barbecues. You can see right here, that's all cast aluminum. All right, and they got brass ends on them. That's brass. That's cast aluminum. So I take these off, put them in a bucket to micro scrap. They're on all the barbecues. This one here works, but the front rusted out on them. So I think I got a good deck over here for that. That's aluminum. A lot of like, what do you call aluminum? There's a name for it. Extruded. I got two microwaves, 3 microwaves to tear apart. And these here all have copper aluminum reds in them. So you see the red right here. There's a copper aluminum red in there. These all gonna be taken out today and taken over to the shed so I can start processing them for Tuesday, because that's where the money's at. I want a good money Tuesday. This is my working lawnmower and weed whacker. I gotta find a home for those. Probably when I get the shred pile cleaned out right there, I'll put them down there. My burn pits I sell them for fire pits. So yeah, that's what's going on today, guys. Same old, but different. Of course, we're going to, we got some more pylons we found to spring clean up. They always come in handy. But I really want to get this area here cleaned up and raked up over the weekend It's a long weekend, so I got today, tomorrow, Monday to do it. And start tearing everything apart. Cut these limbs off. Get rid of them. Won't be sitting down here because it's been raining, as you can tell, and everything's wet. So my seating area is off limits for the weekend now. A long weekend I'll be able to sit outside. Oh, wow. I want to clean all this up right there too. So that stuff there is my next project this morning. Get this all done. And we'll bring it back, tearing apart something. Not quite sure what it's going to be yet. It's only early in the day, so you don't know when I know. Or I'll know when you know. You know. See you in a bit. Good evening, guys. We didn't get into our part today, but we did get a lot of work done. Trailer's loaded. Propane tanks are down here in the lower field here, so we can bleed them out. Got to load this onto the truck. That microwave. These microwaves and air conditioners all have to be loaded onto the truck. Excuse me. Pile built up a little bit today because we were busy. We were very busy. Look at that across the driveway there now. Yes. We got this all cleaned out. Right to the shed. So I'm just going to rake this up here after a little bit and call it a night. We got quite a bit done today. Didn't do no scrapping per se, but we got our workspace cleared out. Got some of this all cleaned up, ready to go. Oh yeah, limbed up the tree. So we back the truck in. So it's supposed to rain starting at 8 o'clock tonight, a couple hours. Rain till tomorrow evening at 4 o'clock or something. Last time I checked. So it stops raining. I'll load that stuff on the truck. We just back the truck right in here to the corner, pretty much to the door of the shed. And just take one at a time and strip it down. And throw it back in the truck again, the shred. Oh my goodness. Here's my neighbor going. I gotta go down and clean his yard out. He got a bunch of metal. He's retired, and now he's moved to the town across the river. It's a big town, not really a city, but he's getting older. His kids, his two older kids are my age. Went to school with him, so he's the house is too big for him by himself now. All the kids are gone. His wife's gone. His kids all moved on, got families, bought their own homes and stuff. So yeah, we did pretty good today, guys. We got a lot accomplished. So I'm gonna probably rake up more of these leaves here and throw them on the fire. Go in and upload this video for you. Sorry to tear everything down there, but we got busy, guys, and it's going to start raining here very, very soon. I want to get as much of this raked up as I can before it rains, and I want to bore you with that. So we'll catch you on the next one, and we will be tearing stuff down on the next one. You guys all take care. Thanks for being here, and God bless.